A small, cute yellow bird named Tweeto, with soft, fluffy feathers, is flying joyfully above a peaceful green forest at sunrise. The bird has large, sparkling eyes and a tiny beak. The same small yellow bird Tweeto flying over tall, misty mountains, looking amazed. The early sun glows in the background, with orange light spreading across the sky. A magical sunrise between mountains, with warm orange and golden light filling the sky. The scene sparkles like gold. Tweeto the yellow bird hovers in awe. Tweeto the yellow bird looking excited and speaking to himself while floating in midair, surrounded by the glowing sky. Tweeto the yellow bird flying down to a cute white rabbit named Fluffy with big ears and soft fur, standing in a green meadow. Tweeto looks excited and Fluffy looks curious. The white rabbit Fluffy looking confused and talking to Tweeto the yellow bird, who is hovering in front of him. Fluffy looks unsure. Tweeto the yellow bird thinking with a determined expression while Fluffy the white rabbit stands beside him. Bright background. Forest setting. Default text Tweeto the yellow bird, Fluffy the white rabbit. Sprinkles the brown squirrel with big round eyes and a fluffy tail, and Toto the green-shelled turtle gathered together in a friendly forest scene. The for friends, Tweeto the yellow bird, Fluffy the white rabbit, Sprinkles the squirrel, and Toto the turtle standing at the base of a mountain, looking determined and ready to start the adventure. The group of animal friends hiking together through a rocky path with streams and tall trees. Each character is helping one another through the terrain. Toto the green-shelled turtle speaking calmly and confidently to the group while walking slowly. Tweeto flies beside her encouragingly. Sprinkles the squirrel using his tail to help Fluffy the white rabbit cross a small river, while Tweeto flies above them cheering. The group standing together on top of the mountain, exhausted but happy. The golden sun is still shining, and the sky glows warmly, all for friends Tweeto, Fluffy, Sprinkles, and Tota, standing side by side, looking at the breathtaking view in silence. Tweeto smiles as he speaks warmly to his fry.